Hey Valparaiso, this is meteorologist Nathan Hopper with your Storm Shear Weather Report. After having a rainy and windy day yesterday, we should have a chilly Friday in store for us today, but then some rain will start to move in tomorrow with an approaching cold front, and we may see some snow ahead toward the middle parts of next week, so we'll get to that later on in the 5-day forecast. But when is this cold front going to move through? Let's take a look. Friday night will be under mostly cloudy skies. We may see a sprinkle here or two. But then Saturday, that's when the cold front's going to move through. You can see this line of rain coming through from the northwest. And that's going to be our best chance of rain Saturday morning. And hopefully it moves out of the area before the football game against Butler on Saturday. And so it's forecasted to move out of the area by the early afternoon hours. And they'll leave mostly chilly, under mostly clear skies, but very chilly for Sunday as well. Now, how are those temperatures with the approaching cold front? Friday, 10 a.m. will be at about 41 degrees. That's about when you guys wake up to start your Friday. 46 degrees will be our high temperature on Friday. And then we'll dip down to 42 degrees overnight on Saturday. And now that is probably about as high as it's going to get because of the approaching cold front. You can see the blue moving through from the northwest. So we'll be struggling to get above 40 degrees Saturday throughout the afternoon. So if you are going to that football game, make sure you have a jacket with you. Make sure you bundle up because the rain and the winds are going to make for quite an interesting time at the football field on Saturday. Now, 31 degrees will be our wind chill, so that's as the rain begins on Saturday and as the cold front begins to move its way in. And then throughout the game, the wind chill will be right about 30 degrees all through. But then with the cooler temperatures coming in from the north, that's when we'll start to see the wind chills in the mid-20s. And so if you are doing things late Saturday night, make sure you definitely bundle up and be prepared for some wind and some much cooler temperatures than we've seen for the last couple of days. Now, with the rain coming through with the cold front, we see as the rain moves through Saturday afternoon, Three Oaks, Michigan, they have some lake-enhanced rain. And so that's why they're seeing almost a half-inch of rain on Saturday. And the lake enhancement kind of tapers off as you move down the southeastern coast of Michigan. And that's why we may see about 1/10 of an inch. We could see a little bit more, depending on how this lake enhancement moves throughout Porter County. And so that's just one thing to look for as you are making your way through your Saturday afternoon activities. Today, though, we should see 44 degrees under mostly cloudy skies, so there's still some sun, no chance of rain today. But then tonight, we may see some prefrontal rain. Prefrontal, that is, coming in before the actual main cold front. 38 degrees will be our overnight low with, again, that chance of showers. Winds will be out of the south from 10 to 15 miles per hour, so it'll be a little breezy, but it shouldn't be quite as bad as we'll see on Saturday. And then tomorrow, of course, with the cold front moving through, we will have rain in the afternoon, and 45 degrees will be our high, but that'll most likely come in the morning. And so all through Saturday afternoon, we'll probably see temperatures decreasing from 45 down into the overnight lows in the mid-30s. And then, of course, the south-southwest winds 15 miles per hour. We could see some gusts up to 20 miles per hour with the cold front moving through. Let's take a look at that 5-day, though. Saturday, there's, of course, the cold front moving through, and why it's going to be 30 degrees on Saturday is because, of course, of that cold front. Sunday, the rain will move out of the area and we'll be under mostly cloudy skies. And then Monday, it'll be a little bit warmer than we've seen for the weekend at 51 degrees. But then Veterans Day will be our first chance of flurries for the start of the week. And the flurries will remain in the area until Wednesday. And those flurries, when they do happen, will most likely happen in the overnight or early morning hours of Tuesday and Wednesday. So if you're doing things overnight or early in the morning, Tuesday and Wednesday, just look out for slick roads and snowy conditions. I'm meteorologist Nathan Hopper. Have a great day.